Oh yeah, something that we haven't seen anywhere, just basically if you've got issues with your fridge or freezer at the back. If you've got water coming out the back of your fridge or your freezer, most people know this, but some people don't, because if you've never been shown it, you won't know it. Normally at the back of, it doesn't matter what model it is, there'll be something like this. And it's a tray, it just captures the water and it condensates. Sometimes it's stuck on with a bit of mastic type thing, you can just lever it off. And this you'll find is quite often full of water. The other thing is that if it's been left for a while, it starts smelling and you'll see it's quite mucky. If you've never emptied this and you've had your fridge for 2 or 3 years, just have a look. The other way of emptying it without pulling it off is just to put a rag in and soak the water up, squeeze it out, but it's a lot easier if you can just do that and empty it down the toilet and give it a good clean. Probably I'd say once a month, 6 weeks to do that. Sometimes you think, what's that smell in the kitchen? It's probably coming from this at the back of your fridge, or dripping water somewhere. Where is it coming from? Your fridge isn't leaking, it's just the water's full in the back here. Another thing that I thought I'd share with you, that these fins are designed for cooling, Daniel, aren't they?
Yeah, the heat, basically part of the refrigeration process.
So what you want to do is either with a vacuum cleaner or just a brush or a paintbrush, every so often, just get that dust off them. See it coming off there now? Because that stops it, impedes how cool it can get.
Some of these are, sometimes you get, like if you've had your fridge for a while, you'll get a load of fluff all over.
If we can get behind there now,
see that
down
fluff?
there, see it?
Yeah.
So we'll put a hoover down there, and if you look right at the bottom here, that
we'll hoover all that up.
See all that there?
Yeah.
And you just normally can't get to it. So if I do that, look.
Yeah, you could use one of those extendable duster things to use and run it down the back and just hoover all up. Yeah.
The only reason we're now able to do this is we put it on one of these appliance trolleys.
Yeah.
Basically, we've done another video, and that might be handy for you as well. You'll need 2 of you to lift this on. Now we can just simply move it around our fridge, freezer, or whatever you want to do, and maintain it and keep it clean, and it'll last longer.
This is a Hotpoint fridge, isn't it? Yeah,
but it could be. They're all made the same.
They're all the same. Yeah.
Could be anything. So that there is important because it'll start smelling. Like I say, if it feels like it won't come off, you can pull it off and then just pop it back on. That's the easiest way to do it. Anyway, this video has helped you with that unusual smell in your kitchen that you cannot find, or you think your fridge is leaking or
water at the side of your fridge.
You think, oh, I've had enough of that. And this video will help you put it right, hopefully. Inside your fridge, at the very bottom, you might see a bit of like 2 sloping bits, like that.
Condensation, yeah.
Inside the bottom of your fridge, and in the middle of that will be a little hole. Just poke a bit of wire in there as well, because they get blocked, and that's where it runs out into there from inside your fridge. So it's basically well, that's
high and the low bit, yeah.
That's the bit there. It actually looks like that.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
And then in the middle there will be a hole. This is inside your fridge on the bottom, and just unblock it and clear it out. Anyway, this has helped you along a little bit, like say with your smells or your dripping water somewhere behind your fridge or freezer. Would you help us on a little bit and subscribe, please? Thank you.